Have you ever wanted to change your life but felt overwhelmed by big goals? This is where Atomic Habits gives a powerful lesson. This book teaches the real change does not come from one huge action. It comes from small habits repeated every day. This is the core idea of this book. The first lesson is simple. Small habits matter more than what we think. One small action may look unimportant today, but repeated again and again, it begins to create real progress. Imagine reading just one page a day. It sounds tiny, but over weeks and months, the small habit builds knowledge. The same is true for fitness. One push up seems too small to matter, but it builds the habit of showing up. And this is how change begins. The second lesson is even more powerful. Identity matters more than goals. Most people say, I want to read more. But a better thought is, I am a reader. Instead of saying, I want to get fit, say, I am a healthy person. When your habits match your identity, good behavior becomes easier to repeat. The third lesson is practical. Make good habits easy. If you want to read, keep a book where you can see it. If you want to drink more water, keep a bottle near you. If you want to exercise, prepare your clothes in advance. When good habits are easy, you are more likely to do them. The fourth lesson works the other way. Make bad habits difficult. If your phone distracts you, keep it away while you work. If junk food tempts you, remove it from easy reach. If social media steals your time, add friction. The harder a bad habit becomes, the less often you repeat it. So, how can you begin? Start tiny. Read one page. Do one push up. Wake up 5 minutes earlier. Write one line in a journal. Drink one extra glass of water. These steps are small, but that is exactly why they work. Atomic Habits teaches one powerful truth. Success is not one big moment, it is small actions done every day. Easy dot summary.